Welcome back to this explainer. Today, we're diving straight into a really fascinating setup for the green energy space. We're looking at the source material behind a platform called the LELAIL Solar Customer Onboarding Assistant, Complete Career to Business System. It's a brilliant concept that aims to bridge a massive gap, taking those crucial soft skills like organization and empathy and plugging them directly into the heavily technical, absolutely booming renewable energy sector.
I mean, have you ever hired a contractor, handed over a massive check, and then absolute crickets, right? Being ghosted like that happens way too often in the rapid growth of the solar industry. Every single domestic solar PV and battery installation starts with a customer who needs to be guided. But here's the thing. Installation teams are usually laser-focused on the highly complex, technical side of actually wiring panels on a roof. So customer communication, yeah, it often just falls right through the cracks. And that leaves a glaring, wide-open opportunity for professionals who are great at organization and communication to step in and save the day.
Okay, let's dive right into this with Section 1, the LELAIL System Solution.
So what actually is this? Well, according to the source material, the LELAIL Solar Customer Onboarding Assistant is a complete, interactive, multilingual AI system. It's essentially built for people who want to explore, learn, practice, and ultimately build a business helping solar installers welcome their customers. It acts like a bridge. It gives you the tools to explain the domestic solar PV and battery storage onboarding process and manage all that vital paperwork. The goal here is to take a fragmented, frustrating customer experience and turn it into a totally smooth, communicative one. And that brings us to Section 2, your interactive learning journey. The material outlines a really clear progression from a curious beginner to a fully supported professional. Step 1 is literally just an honest test to see if this role actually suits you. No false promises here. Then, in Step 2, you get to learn and practice on fictional customer journeys. It's a completely safe sandbox environment where you can try chasing down missing paperwork or calming down a frustrated customer without any real-world fallout. After that, Step 3 gives you an honest readiness assessment, which empowers you in Step 4 to choose your exact route. Are you going to go for traditional employment, freelancing, subcontracting, or maybe run your own bounded, home-based business? Moving right along, let's look at Section 3, Daily AI Administrative Support. The whole point here is to build a home-based support service where the AI takes on the heavy lifting. Because, let's be real, nobody wants to drown in endless spreadsheets. From day one, the LELAIL AI is handling the daily practicalities. We're talking opening cases, tracking the onboardings, checking that dreaded paperwork, and preparing necessary updates for both the anxious customers and the super busy installers. By absorbing all that tedious admin, the AI frees you up to do what humans do best, right? Building genuine relationships and communicating effectively. Now, as exciting as all this tech is, we need to talk about Section 4, Important Boundaries and Realities. A huge part of this system is radical honesty about what it is not. On one hand, yes, you get a career-to-business framework with state-of-the-art AI admin assistance. But on the other hand, the boundaries are incredibly strict, which actually protects you. This is not an accredited qualification. It guarantees zero employment or business results. And, crucially, it absolutely does not authorize anyone to do regulated technical or contractual work. Those regulated decisions, like, actually wiring the electrical panel, always remain with authorized, competent engineers. You are there to guide the journey, not to do the physical installation. And this brilliantly illustrates our golden rule. AI assists, humans decide. The LELAIL AI is this powerhouse assistant sorting data and drafting updates, but you, the human, remain totally at the center. You stay in absolute control of the final output, making sure every single message is empathetic, accurate, and perfectly tailored to that specific customer's needs. All right, let's get into Section 5. Start your journey today. If you're ready to launch into this, the source material breaks down exactly what you get. You get full access to the LELAIL platform and a downloadable PDF with 4 exclusive prompts. But get this, it's voice first and available in over 100 languages. That is massive for breaking down global communication barriers. Plus, there's a 50% commission through the LELAIL affiliate program, meaning you can literally earn while sharing the system with others as you help expand the network. The solar revolution is happening right now, and bridging the gap between complex tech and the everyday homeowner is absolutely crucial. The LELAIL system offers such a fascinating path for folks with strong communication skills looking to enter the space. So here's the question. as this green energy boom continues to scale. Are you ready to visit LELAIL.com and build your business with a LELAIL Solar Customer Onboarding Assistant, ensuring no one left behind? If this sparked your interest, definitely check out the source material to explore further. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and I will see you on the next one.